Hello food lovers, Naga Viper barbecue sauce. If you don't like it hot, you better turn your back and walk away. It's not the hottest pepper in the world. It was in 2010, but it's still a tough little boy. So for the courageous ones, put on your gloves, open your kitchen windows, and let's have a look at our ingredients. We got about 12 dried Naga Viper chilies, half a tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of marjoram, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of basil, half a tablespoon of Mexican oregano, a quarter of a cup rice vinegar, half a cup of muscovado sugar, 2 garlic cloves, 1 shallot, a piece of ginger, half a cup of concentrated tomato paste. We're going to need about 500 grams of pineapple with the natural juice, and we're also going to use a few drops of liquid smoke, and this is going to give us a hot and flavorful barbecue sauce. We're just going to cut our garlic grossly, same thing for the shallot and the ginger. Naga Viper. I'm going to take out these little sprigs and just cut them into little bits. Watch out for your skin and your eyes. Take a little skillet, medium heat, for the olive oil, and we're going to fry our tomato paste. Frying your concentrated tomato paste is really going to boost the flavors, and as it fries it gives a very nice smell of sun-dried tomatoes, and this is a very good way to start every tomato based sauce with. And we're going to fry our paste for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you see most of the oil is absorbed by the paste, just kill the heat and let it cool down a little bit. Take a large saucepan, in goes the tomato paste, and in goes all the other ingredients: vinegar, ginger, garlic, shallot, the herbs, paprika, pineapple, and the muscovado sugar. And of course, most important of all, Naga Viper. We're not going to use the liquid smoke yet. And to finish, 1 liter of water. We're going to put it on a low heat, and when it comes to the boiling point, we're going to let it simmer for 40 minutes. Check out once in a while if it needs some more water. So we're 40 minutes ahead. We're going to kill the heat and we're going to let it cool down for 20 minutes, half an hour. As it cools down a little bit, we're going to blend our barbecue sauce. We're going to give it a little taste test. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone calls the fire brigade. So at this point, we're going to add a few drops of liquid smoke. It all depends how much you like in there. I like it quite smoky. And this is also the moment you can add some more vinegar, also more sugar to adjust the taste. And we're also going to add some salt. I'm going to add a little bit more vinegar. And another good tablespoon of sugar. Or you can continue blending as smooth as you want it. For me it's fair enough. I'm going to give it another taste test. I must say it's quite hot, but there's a lot of flavor to it. Could be a very nice rub for your barbecue as well. Rub your spare ribs slightly with this sauce and you got everything you want. Heat, flavor. It's absolutely delicious. It gives a hot kick straight away, but the heat goes down quite quickly, and what you keep in your mouth is a slight heat and many flavors. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.